Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good and have a beautiful blessed day, because I know you all must be smiling the moment the Ma Kali cards have come, and may Ma Kali shower all her blessings on you all. Okay, 3 cards as you oh my god, that's a beautiful card which has come. A baby Ma Kali, Devi Ma Kali, okay, Bhadra Kali, Mahakali. What an amazing combination. I think this card till now has never come in a reading for my YouTube viewers. This time she's come. So now that she's come, let's see Mahakali, Bhadrakali. But if you see, all the three are forms of Kalis. All the three are the purest form of Mahakalis. So let's see what she has got in store for you all today, and what is the strongest message she wants to give you all today. Ma Kali usually comes when she wants you to be protected, and she reminds us that today is the best day. Don't keep postponing things. Just go with the flow. Whatever you want to start, today is the day to start. Don't think about time, energy, whether I should start, whether I should. Don't keep any doubts inside. Today is the day. So whatever you feel is the best for you to do, don't hesitate, don't postpone it. Just go with the flow and start today. Same, something like that, only Bhadrakali says that I am there to fulfill your wishes, whatever you desire, be it protection, be it wish manifestation. So she is saying, I am there to remove the unwanted blockages. I am there to remove the energies which is stopping you from growing. So become fearless, become confident, and manifest everything that you desire in this world. Work on everything that you want to work on in this world, and I'm going to help you to become successful. So that I actually feel today the color should be blue, because there's a lot of blues what I'm seeing here. And I feel today you need to offer, if you get a lotus to Ma Kali, or hibiscus. Ma Kali loves hibiscus, so pick up some hibiscus, offer her hibiscus, keep some red apples in front of her, because she's going to heal you and protect you today. I'm getting a very strong feel that you're going to get healed and protected from all the unwanted energies, and you are going to be what do we say, can I say reborn? I think that would be the right term here, because the last card which is coming is the Devi Ma Kali. So here, if you see this lady, she is the one who is what do we say, a reborn, or a person who's a lifesaver. If you see this card, this form of Kali particularly is a person who is associated with battles and wars, but she's a person who will take care of you. In fact, when Shiva drank the poison, or which the poison which will destroy the world, he transformed himself to a baby, and her milk soothed the poison, and it took away the pain. So she is a protector. So Lord Shiva also came to her as a baby to drink the milk from her, so that the poison effect goes off, and whatever was the destruction that was to happen is going away, and the world is saved. So that is why she has come today. All the 3 cards are saying that they are going to protect you, they are going to cuddle you, they are going to take care of you. All you need to do is just surrender to them and have the faith and be confident. Today, 1 or 8 times, just chant Jai Ma Kali, and as I said, wear the color blue and offer her some hibiscus. I'm sure she's going to heal you, she's going to protect you, and she's going to take care of you. Jai Ma Kali.